Craving something sweet? We've got just the right recipe. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Welcome back to our simple home. For the delicious Marble Berry Chocolate Scone recipe, I used 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon salt. I combine all the dry ingredients. Add 1 egg. For this step, you can use either 3/4 cup cream or, like I did, half a cup of Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup of milk. I shred 170 grams or 12 tablespoons of cold butter. When you shred the cold butter, it's easier to combine with the flour. Add the cold butter to all the other ingredients. Mix just until everything is combined. Make sure not to overmix. I'm cutting here the chocolate into chunks. I used 1 cup of white chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips or milk chocolate or dark chocolate, whatever you prefer. One and a half cup of berries. I used Yoshida berries. A family member let us pick them from their garden, but you can use any berries you have on hand, like blackberries or raspberries, black or red currants. Especially if the berries are sour, they give a really nice touch in this recipe. With the chocolate and the sour berries, it tastes really yummy. I sprinkled some all-purpose flour on my clean workplace to make sure the scones do not stick to the surface. I turned the dough onto the floured surface. I love the marble effect that the dough gives with the burst berries and the white chocolate. I sprinkled some more flour on top and on the side, and then pat the dough into a rectangle shape, about 1 inch high. I did mine probably a little bit thinner, but they turned out really nice. I cut the dough into 12 squares. I place the marble scones onto a prepared baking sheet. Look at the pretty marble effect. I brushed the scones with a little bit of milk. I transfer my scones to the oven and bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes. For the glaze, I use 30 grams of melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 drops of food-grade lavender essential oil, it's optional, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1½ cup of powdered sugar. I first used 1 cup of powdered sugar and then added the ½ cup later on. This is how the marble berry scones turned out. I brushed the glaze all over the scones while they are still warm. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my content, please like, subscribe, and share with others.